In the previous lecture, we created the game icon that's 1024 pixels. Now what we want to do is, within Xcode, we want to replace all the other icons that have other dimensions. So click on any of the icons, right-click on it and do Show in Finder. And what we want to do is replace all of these. So go back to where you created your icon, make sure you find it and right-click and open it with any software. Now, by the way, you can do it with just the preview, that can do it, but I'm going to use Photoshop to resize. And then I'm going to do File Save for Web or Command-Alt-Shift-S. And instead of having it to 1024 pixels, I'm going to make it to 29. So it's very small, as you can see, and I'm going to save it. Now, what I'm going to do is replace the file. So I'm going to go inside of Project iOS Mac, click on iOS, and here are all the icons. And I'm going to replace the icon -29. Then I'm going to do the same for 40, 50, and so on. So click on icon 29 and click on Save. And then, do you want to replace? Yes, replace. Alright, so we're done with 29. Let's go with the next one, which is the 40 pixels. So I'm going to do Command-Alt-Shift-S, and here I'm going to put 40 pixels. Alright, and click on Save. And I'm going to replace the icon -40 right here. Now let's do the same for 50. Replace. So Command-Alt-Shift-S. I'm going to put 50 here. Save. And replace icon -50. Replace. Alright, so that's pretty much what you have to keep going to do. You have to go all the way to replace all of this. So now I'm going to go a little bit faster because it's always the same process for all of these. So I'm going to go faster now. So 57, 58, and so on. So Command-Alt-Shift-S, 57, save. Alright, now 58. Save. Now 72. Save. Now 76. Save. Now I believe it's 80. Let's double check. Yes, 80 pixels. Replace. And 100. Then 114. Then 120. Then 144 pixels. And the last one is 152. 152. All right. Okay, so verify that you've replaced them all correctly by just looking at them and see if they all change. Okay, so far so good. All right, and now go back to your game and you should be able to just click on play and that will change it. If it doesn't, you will have to do a product clean, okay? So let's see if that did it or not. So I'm going to press Command-Shift-H to go to Home. And here we go. We have the new image for the icon. Alright, by the way, if you don't have yours, remember you can go back to Xcode and do product clean and then play again. Alright, that's it for the icon. See you guys in the next lecture.